Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. We are Sorin and Olga, and in this episode we are continuing our journey through the Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Today we are heading to the mysterious and beautiful Whitefish Point. Join us as we explore what makes this place so special, from its breathtaking natural beauty to the rich maritime history. Located way up north in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, so far north that just across the Lake Superior you can spot the shores of Canada. No wonder this destination has been attracting visitors for the centuries. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and join us for more adventures. Let's go! We are heading towards the Shipwreck Museum right now to check on the Lighthouse. After checking on the time for the museum, they're closing at 5. Now, in the style of Sorin and Olga, we're gonna make it there 20 minutes before the closing. Yay! Yay! Sorin with his semince. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me show you. Oh yeah, the views just kept getting better and better. Okay, we'll see you at the museum. On the way, you will pass not only through Michigan's wild forest, but also through some small, charming little towns. Just a heads up, if you're planning to visit the Shipwreck Museum, it's only open from May 1st through October 31st. Daily from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Yay! We made it! Even 20 minutes to check up on the museum.
We're not in yet.
Come faster, bro. It's okay, it's still a lot of people here. I don't think they're gonna close the door in front of our nose. And if you're planning to check on the museum and the buildings inside, make sure to get there before 5 p.m. And to be honest, 20 minutes wasn't nearly enough for us. We didn't get the chance to see everything. Each building has its own unique exhibit, packed with fascinating history and stories. And if you got a little extra time, you can even sit down and watch a documentary film. And welcome to the Whitefish Point and also the Shipwreck Museum, located right next to the Lake Superior. You can check out this historic place for sure if you're into the history of the ships. Just $15 the admission fee, and you can check out this place. Also check out the beach with the Lake Superior views and Canada shores. Definitely worth it. You will get your tickets right in the gift shop, where they will give you a fun little bracelet that gets you into the old buildings. Let's go! No time. Yay! We got our admission tickets. It was $30 for 2 people. Let's go to check it out. We were in a hurry to explore the main exhibit of the museum campus, which is dedicated to the Edmund Fitzgerald and even features the ship's original bell. This bell stands as a silent witness of the tragedy of the SS Edmund Fitzgerald, the 729-foot freighter that sank on the Lake Superior in 1975. During the fierce storm, claiming the lives of 29 crew members. In a remarkable and respectful operation on July 4th, 1995, the ship's original 200-pound bronze bell was recovered from the wreck side. You will definitely be surprised and impressed by the history and the sheer number of the ships that have found their final resting place at the bottom of the Lake Superior. Whitefish Point is not a safe place for the ships. Sudden storms, strong winds, and the sharp rocks have caused many shipwrecks over the years. This is the start of the Lake Superior's famous shipwreck coast, where nearly 200 ships have sunk. The most recent confirmed shipwreck in the Lake Superior occurred in July 2024, when the Western Reserve, a 300-foot steel freighter, was discovered approximately 60 miles northwest of the Whitefish Point. That ship had sunk in 1892 during the violent storm, and its wreckage remained lost for the over 130 years. Remarkably, the wreckage was discovered just 2 hours into the sonar search at the depth of 600 feet. This museum is definitely an interesting and mysterious place to visit. We've still got a bit of time. Let's check out a few more spots before they close. Right across the street you will find the next exhibit, the US Navy and Radio Building. In this building you will also find the fascinating information about the wreck of Daniel J. Morrell. On November 29, 1966, this 603-foot freighter broke in two during the Fear storm, and tragically, 28 of 29 crew members lost their lives, only one survivor. Okay, that was pretty fast. We got already 2 exhibits. Let's go to the next one. We're gonna make it. Next, we visited the building showcasing the Lighthouse Keeper Quarters exhibit. Did you know that today the Whitefish Point Lighthouse is the oldest operating lighthouse in the Lake Superior? Now you can take a quick look at how people lived back in the day at this harsh weather environment. Looks pretty cool and surprisingly cozy. And just like that, our time ran out, and unfortunately they had to close all of the exhibits. But don't worry, you can still walk around, explore the area, and make sure to check out the beach. It's the main highlight, also known as a graveyard of the Great Lakes. After exploring all of the exhibits, one of the biggest surprise and highlights for us was seeing actual freighter gliding across the water. It was incredible to watch. And then you realize just how many of them actually rest beneath the water. Did you know that Lake Superior isn't just the largest of the Great Lakes? It's also one of the biggest lakes in the world. A truly incredible natural wonder. We didn't know, but apparently along the shores of Lake Superior, people love hunting for all kinds of rock, especially agates, which are known for their unique colors and patterns, and apparently favorite among the rock collectors. Touchdown! Okay, we are here to say not just hello to the Superior Lake, but also to wave to Canada. Hello!
someone over there.
Hi, Canada! Just across the lake, you're gonna see the shore of Canada. Yes, that's how far north we are located right now. You can find this beach right next to the Museum of the Shipwreck. What's up, Mr. Sorin? No cold plunge today? If I did it in the Arctic Ocean, I'm not scared of Lake Superior. Whew. The water wasn't too cold. As you can see, someone was even brave enough to dive in for the rocks. Well, I managed to find a few cute ones myself as I was getting out of the water. Not 100% sure they were agates, but hey, they look pretty nice. And just like that, we were about to wrap up our tour around the Whitefish Point. That day we also had something special planned, which we will share with you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and if you made it so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe and follow us for more adventures, and we will see you on the next one. Bye!